Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in today's video, I am so excited because we have a collaboration and it's an open invitation collaboration for everyone to jump in and enjoy. Remember that you can decorate any area of your home, indoor, outdoor, doesn't matter. Upload your video and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. So now the name of the collaboration is called Decorate My Space, and the host is Tablescapes by Candy and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's myself. Now let me tell you who's hosting with us. Okay, we have Sasu Glam Style, decorating with Jazzy Green, Annalise Cupboard, Jean Home Decor and More, Design with Emma, and Pretty DIYs. Now, this collaboration is so much fun because no matter what area of your home you decide to either refresh, change out decor, or just clean, rearrange, whatever it is that you're doing, just videotape it. Use the hashtag so it's easy for me to find you, and I will add you to the playlist. It's very exciting, guys. Now, as you can see here, I decided to do a tablescape for two, and I decided to use these colors, the navy blue, that cream color, and gold. Yes, that little touch of gold always does something special, doesn't it? Okay, guys, so remember to post the thumbnails in your community tab. And then what happens is that other people see the thumbnails, and it's a good way of meeting other people and also getting some holiday idea decorations. It's pretty awesome, guys. Now remember, as in all collaborations, we want to use YouTube etiquette. We want to uplift each other and we want to encourage each other. Full watch our videos, subscribe to our channels, click the like button. All these things helps us to grow. So I'm really loving that touch of navy blue, and I always seem to forget how beautiful it looks. So I think it came out absolutely beautiful. We're lighting the candle. Let's head on over to the reveal. Okay, so I think the tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous, and I do want to take a moment and thank everyone who participated in this collab, whether by joining in or watching, to support us. So I thank the hosts, Tablescapes by Candy, and all of my other co-hosts who joined in to make this collaboration such a beautiful one. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.